Hello everyone. Hopefully you all are doing well. So today we will talk about the cryptocurrency and its different types. And for this, I find out a website uh, and its name is Sophie.com. It's a very useful website and you can learn all about the cryptocurrency, its types, and how you can trading with cryptocurrency. So first of all, uh, there is a intro about cryptocurrency. So as we know that Bitcoin was the first type of cryptocurrency. So here the writer quoted about the Bitcoin as he written that when Bitcoin launched in 2009, it did not have much or any competition in newly minted realm of digital currency because it was the first cryptocurrency type. So here the writer has written something about cryptocurrency. You can read all about the cryptocurrency from here. So without waiting, we are going towards the different types of cryptocurrency. So these are the 10 most common types of cryptocurrencies, in which number one is Bitcoin, as we said above, that the Bitcoin was the first type of cryptocurrency, and first of all, it was launched in 2009 by a person or a group of person. So it's all about it. And after that, you can see Ethereum. Ethereum is the second, and it was after the Bitcoin, and it was the second type of cryptocurrency. And after this, third type is Cardano, and its abbreviation is ADA, and it is the third type of cryptocurrency. And the fourth type is Binance Coin, and its abbreviation is BNB. Binance is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, and Binance Coin, which is also called BNB, is a cryptocurrency token. So you can see that it is a cryptocurrency token that was created to be used as a medium of exchange of Binance. Okay. So after that, fifth type of cryptocurrency is Tether. Tether was the first cryptocurrency marketed as a stable coin. As you can see that every type of cryptocurrency have its own different and specific properties. As you can see that Ether was the first cryptocurrency marketed as stablecoin, and you have learned that Binance Binance is one of the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchanges, and Binance Coin. And if we talk about the Tether, so Tether was the first cryptocurrency marketed as a stable coin. After that, sixth type of cryptocurrency is Solana. Solana is a blockchain platform that generates the cryptocurrency known as Sol. Sol its short form or uh, its abbreviation, and here's the seventh type of cryptocurrency, that is XRP. XRP was developed by Ripple Labs, and while some people use the terms XRP and Ripple, and whatever there's written, you can read all about XRP from here. And after that, if we talk about the eighth type of cryptocurrency, so it's Dogecoin. Dogecoin is widely known as the first joke cryptocurrency. So it's have its own specific properties and specific identity that is known as the first joke cryptocurrency, and it's launched in 2013. And here's the ninth type of cryptocurrency, Polkadot, that is abbreviated from dot. Polkadot was co-founded by Gavin Wood, also a co-founder of Ethereum. It means that it's the owner of both currencies, Ethereum and Polkadot, that is abbreviated from dot. And if we talk about the our last and 10th type of cryptocurrency, so it's USD. It's also called USDC. So here's the C mean currency. So USD coin USDC is a stable that runs on the Ethereum blockchain and several others. So it's all about our today lecture, and today we have discussed about the cryptocurrency and its most important and most common 10 types, and you can see and you can read and you can get all about the cryptocurrency, how you can trading and how you can mining, so you can get help from this side.